When you're building an online course for the first time, it's easy to get caught up in front-end needs and refrain from thinking about the future. Once your course is up and running, what are you going to need out of your learning management system? To determine the ongoing needs of your LMS, think about the ongoing needs of your e-learning experience. Will you be building more courses after your first one? Will you be building 5 more courses or 100 more? How many learners do you plan on registering? Different LMSs will offer different features and options that will help you determine answers to all of these questions and more. To give your material the best platform possible, you need to look ahead. Want to learn more about extended ongoing use of learning management systems? Click the link below to go to the How to Create an Online Course Masterclass and get started today.